Hello YouTube, this is Tom's Garage, and today I'm going to show you what you have to do if your mirror is not working well. For example, it is trembling or stops at the half. What you have to do is really easy. First, remove the mirror's cover. Be careful, there is a short cable for the turn signal's LED. You don't want to cut that. After that, you can locate the folding module, and on that you can see a small polyfuse, which is the source of the problem. You can replace that easily with the following item. You just have to buy this polyfuse with these specs, and as you can see, you can buy 10 pieces for around $3 on eBay. After you have replaced this fuse, your mirror will work as new. If the video was helpful for you, please help my channel with a subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you.